Hey guys, today at Best Apps Technology we have a cordless vacuum and a floor washer. This is a vacuum and wash in one. It is also self-cleaning and 4 times the cleaning performance of the original iFloor. It has several characteristics such as being ultra-quiet, lightweight, pet cleanup, self-cleaning, and even having a compact storage dock. It also comes with all the necessary materials needed. The included accessories are deodorizing and cleaning solution, brush roller, self-cleaning storage tray, 3-in-1 cleaning tool, and an adapter. It cleans hardwood, tile flooring, and many more. This is also a 2-in-1 wet and dry cleaning technology. This vacuum can be found at any one of the 6 Best Apps Technology locations. So come on over today at Best Apps Technology and get yourself an iFloor 2 cordless vacuum and floor washer.